MRAI, Material Recycling Association of India, the voice of the Indian recycling industry.
First of all, regarding the definition of MSME, now for the medium scale industries, we are now making turnover up to 250 crores and fixed investment in plant and machinery up to 50 crore and turnover up to 250 crores. So I feel that this can be a good positive thing for the industry. At the same time, the export turnover is excluded. It is not going to include in this. So it is going to give you the benefit to become MSME. So I am recommending this proposal to Finance Ministry and I will clear it. The most of the issue regarding the recycling policy, that is, I don't know, you find out when the policy is recommended by the Niti Aayog, in which department the policy is there, why it is not coming to the cabinet, where exactly the policy is. And you meet me in Delhi and I know that, but still you have to find out exactly where is the problem. Then I will help you to find out and we will resolve that issue. Regarding the vehicle scrapping, we are in the last 2 years, I am constantly talking about scrapping policy, but lot of obstacles I have to face for that, to getting approval from the different stakeholders. Now we need some financial tax concession from the ministry, but now I feel that it is difficult. But now by scrapping the vehicle, if the certificate is given, we need some discount from the manufacturer, and now we are talking with the CM and other, and probably my secretary is talking with them, and we will find out the solution, and as early as possible after the lockdown we will first work, I will do it, that to clear the this vehicle scrapping policy. Regarding the brass, Mr. Dinesh Saw who telling me about the problem related with the brass metal industry, the automatic cover and refund system he is recommended to me. It's really a good idea. My suggestion is, let us give it to me a complete scheme from your association in Delhi and send it one copy to Rajgopal Sharma. I will immediately make the I will see that immediately how it can give relief to you. Related with the bank loan, if whatever the guidelines given by the Reserve Bank and private bank or nationalized bank are not obeying that policy, then again you give me the detail about it. We have now already the committee Prime Minister has appointed under the chairmanship of Rajnath Singh ji. The Finance Minister is the member of the committee, and their responsibility is to implementation of this package. So anywhere if the bank are not listening to you, not giving cooperation, kindly send your proposal, your grievances to me. I will definitely help you to resolve your issue, whether it is private banks or nationalized bank. Regarding labor issue, my suggestion is the laborers who are now going to their places, best way is first you take the approval from that labor, a letter that they are ready to come back for on their working, and giving that address and letter to our district collector that these workers are ready to come. So we need to make the formality that from that collector where the labor is going in that area district, where we have to make coordination between them, and with their permission we have to take them back. So we have to make some arrangement for that, but let us start the procedure for it and give it to your district collector, then it will be easy. Regarding shipping line issue, we are not controlling shipping line, but my suggestion is, when everywhere there is a benefit is given, the shipping line is not listening, so you give some representation to shipping minister, at least on Indian ports, 12 major ports. We will take the care and we will talk with them. You should give some concession because this is a natural calamities, and so we need cooperation from you. So my suggestion is giving one letter to me. I will forward it to Shipping Ministry for appropriate action. I feel that the industry is very important. The recycling industry is very important, and now it is the time for the country that we need to reduce our import and increase export. I know that basically the raw material, the basic recycling material is imported from the different part of the world. So I have taken a decision when I was shipping minister to increase the draft in Kandla port, in Tuticorin port, in JNPT, all the ports. Our target was to make the draft of 18 meter. So you can take the ship of 2,50,000 ton. So by receiving the ship of 2,50,000 ton, we will reduce the logistic cost. And in Kandla, my idea was to recycling plant we can establish there, and we can even get all this recycling material, particularly damage of the different country, different part of the world, where we can make the recycling of that material in India, and which is going to helpful for our automobile industry. So the idea was that we are already increasing the draft in Kandla port. The most important thing which I am going to request you, we are making Delhi-Mumbai highway. We are making 22 green highways. My suggestion to your association that near highway we can make industrial clusters, recycling plants of different metals. So my suggestion is the land acquisition cost in this near to this highway is very less. It comes to 10 to 15 lakh rupees per acre, 20 lakhs maximum. And as compared with the land cost in the developed area is very high. So my suggestion is near Mumbai-Delhi Express Highway we have already acquired the whole land for the road. We save 16,000 crore on land acquisition. And our planning is to now making of industrial clusters, different type of clusters side the road, and making smart cities, smart villages. If your association is interested, it is between Mumbai and Delhi. It's a majority of your industry is either in Mumbai or Delhi. So it can be a good thing for, and it's well connected to ports, airports, and railway station. And there will be logistic parks, water, power, transport, communication, all the thing will be there. So it can be useful. So if I am giving you the proposal, the land will be acquired by NHI, and other type of development will develop, responsibility will be taken by the association. So I am ready for that. We can make a joint venture. So in a one place if you can make it, I am confident that you can reduce the production cost, the recycling cost of the material, because the all industry coming together as a cluster, then you can make some ancillary there, some bigger industries there for the use of the getting that material. You need different type of machinery. So all type of the machinery, the technology will be there on one place, which can be an advantage for the industry. So it is for your consideration. But my suggestion is give me written your all representation, all the thing I have written it on my paper, and all the question which is raised by your members, give it me a written copy. One copy sent to Nagpur, I am in Nagpur, and one is to Rajgopal Sharma, my private secretary in Delhi. And after this lockdown, come to Delhi to discuss with all this issue. As ministry level, whatever possible for me, I will try my level best to do it. My suggestion is now the country is facing the problem for corona. That is really a crucial problem. At the same time, we are facing economic war. And there is a blessing in disguise now that whole world is not interested in any collaboration with China. So this is the time for Indian industry, and this is a blessing in disguise that we can take the advantage of the situation. Now the Japanese Prime Minister has already declared that the Japanese investment and industry, those who are in China, if they want to come out of China, the government is giving special package. The USA, Germany, Italy, France, UK, all are very annoyed with China. So how we can take the industry from China, particularly related with your field? I make a joint venture, you can get to a foreign investment. So different type of thing that was, as a businessman you are the best person to judge the thing. So the different type of new technology, new innovation, new research and foreign capital also, you can make a joint venture, and this is the golden opportunity from our side, near port side or in your express highway, anywhere as your choice. If you want to make your clusters for that, recycling clusters, I am open for that. Once again, I am giving my thanks to all of you. With your positivity and self-confidence, I am confident that we will win this war against Corona, and we will win the war against today's problems which our economy is facing, your industry is facing, and we will make India economy of $5 trillion and at the same time 100 lakh crores of infrastructure to make India economically strong. So I am confident that with your cooperation, we will definitely going to achieve this goal and fulfill the dream of Honorable Prime Minister. Once again, thank you very much. You come to Delhi, we will increase the interaction between your association and ministry. On my level, whatever possible for me, I will try to immediately take the decision, resolve your issue. Thank you very much. Namaskar.